If Opera GX is showing an error loading a GIF, don't worry that this is usually a browser setting issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the settings that often interfere with GIF playback and get the page loading properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Opera GX and go to Settings. You can do that from the browser menu, and once you're inside the settings page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the menu. At the bottom, click on System. This is where Opera keeps the performance and graphics options that can sometimes affect how pages and media load. Now look for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this option is turned on, switch it off. This can help if the browser is having trouble rendering animated content like GIFs. After turning it off, Opera will ask you to relaunch the browser, so go ahead and click Relaunch to apply the change. This step is important because the setting won't fully take effect until the browser restarts. Once Opera GX opens again, click the Easy Setup icon. This is usually on the right side of the browser interface, and it gives you quick access to several built-in browser controls. Scroll down until you reach the Privacy section. In that section, find the options for block ads and block trackers. If the website that's showing the GIF error depends on certain scripts or embedded content, these settings may be interfering with it. Turn off block ads and also turn off block trackers for that specific site. In some cases, a site can fail to load media properly because the browser is blocking elements it needs in order to display the GIF correctly. After disabling those options, refresh the page and check whether the error is gone. If the GIF still isn't loading, there's one more thing to check in Opera GX. Open the GX control panel from the left-hand sidebar menu. This panel is designed to manage browser resource usage, but if the limits are too strict, they can affect how pages and media behave. Inside GX control, locate the RAM limiter and CPU limiter toggles. Make sure they are either turned off or that the slider threshold is not set too aggressively low. If Opera GX is restricting memory or CPU usage too much, it can slow down scripts and media loading, which may cause GIFs to fail or appear broken. Relaxing those limits often resolves the issue right away. After making these changes, reload the website and test the GIF again. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem: turning off graphics acceleration, disabling ad and tracker blocking for the site, or easing the GX performance limits. If you still see the error after that, try clearing the page cache or testing the same site in a private window to see whether an extension or temporary browser issue is causing the problem. I hope this helped you fix the Opera error loading GIF issue quickly. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and it lets me make more easy browser fix tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.